today's video we're going to be doing another edition of Battle of the Boxes. This is where we put the Ipsy Glambag Plus up against the Boxycharm Standard Base Box. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama, and over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment and drama-free zone where hopefully you decide to stick around, guys, because we like to sit and chit-chat about makeup, and remember, at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup. It's not that serious. So hopefully this is a channel for you. Let's go ahead and talk about this Battle of the Boxes, guys. I recently started doing this over the past couple months, and I thought, you know what, let's continue on because it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun putting these subscription boxes up against each other. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the Ipsy Glambag Plus for you guys. Now this is a monthly subscription service. It is $25 a month plus tax, and you do get full-size items in this product or in this subscription. Now you do get the choice to choose one of the products in here. So this again is the March 2020 Glambag Plus, and you do get a postcard in here telling you a little bit about each item in here, the retail value, etc. I'm briefly going to go over everything because there's already a dedicated video up, as well as Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter Glambag Plus edition up. So real quick, and fortunately I've had the chance to use everything in here for the most part and give you guys like a brief review on everything. The first item is by THEBALM. This is the AutoBalm Day to Night palette. This is what it looks like up close. As you guys can see, I have played around in it. My thoughts on this: it has a retail value of $26.50. It kind of is the same thing. It's not a bad palette. The formula worked on it. It worked well. I still haven't like done anything with this black primer, only because I really just don't want that. What it is a shade shifter type of deal. So you're supposed to apply this to the lid or wherever, and you can pack eyeshadow on top of it, and it changes the shift of the, or it shifts the shade of the eyeshadow. And for me, it would be a little bit darker than what I like to wear. So as far as that goes, I haven't used it for what it's been used for. I haven't used it for anything, but I have used all the other ones, and like I said, the formula was really nice. Everything blended well, but for $26.50, I'm going to stand by what I said when I initially opened this, and I just wasn't really excited about it. I think the case, the component, all of that's cute, but you know, of course, as always, we do get a little makeup pouch in here. It's cute, envelope style, so I mean you could place that in there. Moving right along, we did get, and I'm assuming this is the full size, that is $21.99. This is a coffee scrub by, I guess, Organic Feelings Los Angeles. Coconut. As you guys can see, I have not tried it to open it. I just keep hearing it's a huge mess, and I'm just not down for a mess right now. You know what I mean? It just does not, I don't know. I think that there's a lot of scrubs out there that I like that are not very messy, and I'm going to keep with that. So this will probably end up in a giveaway. The next item is the Glamglow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Now this was an item that I got to choose, and it does have a retail value of $34, and I have not tried this just yet, just because I do have some cleansers already open that I love. This says it washes away dirt and makeup, purifies your pores, and dissolves dulling skin cells in one easy step with this exfoliating cleanser by Glamglow. I am excited to try that, but like I said, I already have an anti-aging cleanser that I'm using that I have seen such huge difference with that I'm like, I'm gonna set you back. This will probably end up going to one of my teens or something. The next item we got is by Complex Culture. This is the Precision Concealer Brush, which I've not cleaned. It did come in this. It does have a retail value of $26. I will tell you guys, I did use it with, okay, let's be real. With everything that's going on, I had a few days where I just kind of laid in bed and did not put a face on. And today I was like, no girl, you're gonna shower, you're gonna get yourself together. I did a full beat of makeup, foundation, everything. So and I have to say, like, if you're kind of going through it, if you're kind of struggling right now, which I feel like a lot of us are, makeup has always been my outlet and my way to just forget about the crazy that's going on around me. And I'm filming, so that's another thing that takes my mind off of everything that's going on. So if you guys are going through something and makeup has always been your kind of outlet, I definitely recommend, even if you don't feel like it, just sitting down, playing in makeup, swatching. Like, I literally, on my eyeballs today, guys, I think I have like 6 or 7 eyeshadow palettes that I pulled from, just to forget about everything that's going on. So I don't know, hopefully maybe that could help somebody. I mean, I even pulled out foundations that I haven't even used in forever that I'll probably be broke out tomorrow with, but anyhow. But I did use this, and I will say it worked well under the eyes, but I can't say that I'd like to change up what I'm already using, just because I found that even though this was soft, it is so densely packed that it wasn't that comfortable to move around, especially underneath the eye where it's such a delicate area. I do think maybe doing a contour, I would like it better if I do like a contour. So I'll probably just continue to use it for that, obviously, because I've already used it. Okay, moving on. You guys know I was really not happy about this. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. This will go straight to Haley. This is, I think she did say it was a felt tip liner. It's in black. It has a retail value of $18, but like I said, not interested in it. Last but not least is the YENSA, I think is how you say it, Super 8 Lip Oil. This has a retail value of $24. This is nice. It's comfortable. I like it. It smells nice as well. I wouldn't see myself like in the future purchasing it again. It does the job for now. So anywho, that is everything in the Ipsy Glambag. I'm dropping stuff. Hold on. Retail value of everything in this box came to $150.49. So we'll talk about my feelings and all of that in a bit at the end after I unbox both. Okay, let's move on to our Boxycharm. So Boxycharm as well always comes with a postcard. You do get the same thing like Ipsy, information about each item, and here retail value, a little bit about everything. So jumping right in, we have the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture eye cream, and it does have a retail value of $70. It says deeply quench the delicate eye area with the nourishing cream. It's a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract to seal in moisture. I'll be honest with you guys, it does have a $70 retail value, but right now the eye cream that I've been using has been complete and utter magic. Not to say that I won't use this, it'll just go into stock. But yeah, if you guys missed my anti-aging skincare video that I did with Dermatology, I'll try and maybe link it up here for you guys. That eye cream is amazing. It's expensive. It's actually less expensive than this, plus they gave me a 20% coupon code for you guys. So if I had to choose, I would choose the Dermatology one. Just saying. Just saying. The next item we did get is the KVD Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Precision Pencil. I got it in the shade Blonde. As far as the shade goes, the shade is great. The actual pencil is god-awful. It has a retail value of $21. I do not like it. I do not like it at all. It is one of those liners that if you think like, I'm going to tell you, Dollar Tree even has eyeliners better than this. This reminds me of back in middle school days where all you could afford was like that cheap eyeliner pencil, and then like you had to take a liner and warm it up before you could actually apply it to your lid. That's what this formula reminds me of. And for $21, no, this stuff should be not pulling out my brows and plucking them for me. It should be like nice and pretty and carrying on, especially when I've got my what did I use? Oh, today I used my Collab eyebrow pencil, and that is like insanely inexpensive, and it was like, I mean, not that I have a strong brow game, but you know what I'm saying? $21, you better work. That's all I gotta say. Next, oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is the Hank & Henry Living in Color palette. It's a $27 palette. I love this. If you follow me over on Instagram, I have posted many looks with this, and actually, I'm lying. I think I've only posted 1 or 2, but I have another one to go up. I really like this. This was one of the palettes that I pulled from today, these 2 shimmers up here. I'll be honest with you guys, I really like this palette. I really like the mattes, to be honest with you. I just felt like when it came to the shimmers, if you only like to use brushes, I didn't get the payoff that I like. In order to get a decent payoff, I have to really put my finger in there. So it's a hit or miss kind of thing when it comes to the formula, but overall I really like the palette. I would recommend the palette. I mean, it's really, I think that's the thing, is I'm so used to such a creamy shimmer that this is more of like, it's just not as creamy. But I mean, you still get a nice payoff and everything. It's just like a drier creamy, or a drier shimmer. But see, as you can see, you still get a great payoff. And like I said, as far as the mattes go, I didn't have any issues whatsoever with the matte. I like the formula. I like the palette. Oh man. I love being a mess. So overall though, I did like it. I think it's just, like with anything, different brands, you have to kind of adjust the way that you apply things. And with me, that's kind of what I had to do. But it wasn't like such a crazy adjustment that it was a pain, you know. I still come back, I still reach for this palette, and I still very much like this palette. Moving on, we did get the Spongelle in Fresh Lavender. Now this one I have not opened, but in my Boxycharm Boxy Luxe for March, I also received a Spongelle, and I love these. One of you guys asked if I have any issues with it molding or anything like that, and I don't. I guess it's kind of like a loofah. I always just wring it out. I like rinse it out, and then, you know, after I've used it, sudsed it up, I just rinse it really well and then let it air dry, and I don't have any issues with it. Mine have lasted close to a month with still being able to like get the suds and everything. So hopefully that answered your question. I've not had any issues with mold or bacteria or anything like that. So the next item that we did receive is by Becca. This is the Glow Gloss. It does have a retail value of $22. This is my backup. This is what it actually looks like. It's in Champagne Cream. I absolutely love this. I do have this on today with my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice Lip Liner, and then I have the Kimchi Doll, and then this over top, the Kimchi Doll lipstick, and then this over top, like in the center. I love this. This has been a go-to. I received it a while back, maybe in December or something. So I was excited to get another one because I really reach for this one a lot. It's not like overly glittery or anything. It's just, it's cute, it's comfortable, and I like it. It's kind of like nude and neutral. Okay, so retail value of everything in this box came to $156. Mind you, again, this box is a $25 box at $25 plus tax. So I never, when I do this battle of the boxes, I never pay attention to that, you know, actual total of each box. I just go with what I liked about everything in the box. And I will tell you guys, as far as everything goes, in my Boxycharm, the only item I don't like and I will not be using is this KVD brow, because it is painful to use. Like, it's actually, I may try and go back with a lighter and warm it up and see if it works that way. I don't recommend it at home. Children watching, be safe, duh. You know, like, ignore what I just said. But overall, everything in the Boxycharm, minus that pencil, I loved. I think that it was absolutely a wonderful value. As far as the Ipsy Glambag Plus, you guys know I've been pretty hard on Ipsy, and my expectations versus reality of what we're getting, I'm kind of like, seriously? So I don't know. Like I said in the unboxing I did with Haley, you don't hear about the Balm Cosmetics anymore that much. And I feel like if they're going to put something in here, like, I want it to wow me, like the Hank & Henry palette wowed me, you know? So as far as that goes, as far as the eyeshadow palettes go, definitely giving it to Boxycharm here, because I was not like wooed. There's nothing about this that brings me back. So this was a huge contender in making me love the box. I do like that I got the cleanser and whatnot, but at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, I'm gonna give it to Boxycharm for March. I just feel like they coordinated it to more of my liking, my taste. I got a good mix of skincare, body care, and makeup. The only item I didn't like was that pencil, but when you look at my Ipsy, I don't know, there's a lot of things in here I didn't like that I'm not over excited about. So let me know down below if you guys get the Ipsy Glambag Plus and the Boxycharm, which box was your favorite. As far as my boxes go, which one did you like? Did you like the Ipsy better? Totally okay if you did. Each to their own, you know? So anyways, like I said, both are $25. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I do have a referral link down below. It is not an affiliate link. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have a link down below. Now that one is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission. I will say, as far as Ipsy goes for March, I really liked my Ipsy Glambag, the $12 plus tax bag. I thought that was an amazing bag. So, and I actually did an unboxing of both of those. I'll try and link the video up here for you guys. But even putting the Glambag Plus up against the Glambag, I definitely really like the Glambag better. So anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm going to continue to upload 5 days a week over here, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I hope these videos continue to help you guys take your mind off of everything that's going on in the world. Just know I'm praying for all of you guys, and until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.